Fidgett here from notapennydown.com. This is the last word on the new changes coming down on March 18th. Specifically, two questions that I'm getting right now. The first one is, if I purchase a home or write a contract, say on March 17th, what happens after the deadline? So here's the answer. If you have all subjects removed and you've got a firm sale by the deadline, yet your completion falls, say, on June 17th, that's fine. As long as your subject removals are removed and you've got a firm contract by the final date, no matter if your completion date falls down the road, you're fine. The second question I'm getting is, what if my mortgage comes up for renewal, say next year, and I either had a 40-year amortization or a 35-year amortization? What's going to happen when my mortgage renews? So here's the answer. If your mortgage renews and you've got absolutely no changes, regardless of whether you originally had a 40-year amortization or a 35-year, as long as nothing changes, you're fine. You can simply renew. When you change something, in essence, it's a new mortgage and it falls under the new regulations. So regardless if you had a 40 or a 35-year, if you change your mortgage in any way, if you want to do a refinance, take some cash out or anything like that, you're now subject to the new rules. So the max amortization, as you know, will be 30 years. Now, I'll put a link below on my blog about the changes. I've talked about them before. I don't want to re-talk about them. I just wanted to answer those two questions. So just to reiterate, if you write the contract and you've got a firm sale before the deadline, doesn't matter. Your completion date can be down the road as long as it's realistic. And the second thing is, no problem with renewals. You can still keep your 45-year amortization or a 35-year amortization as long as nothing changes on the mortgage. As soon as it changes, subject to the lower amortization, new loan to values, and all that stuff. Any questions? 604-273-2002 on the web, www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.